Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to upload images on article on WordPress. Okay, you can see here on screen I have already written article and images are not uploaded yet. Now I will tell you how to upload images on article. First of all, we have to add feature image. So you have to click the option near to save. Click now post. Okay. Now click on set as feature image. Not media library, upload file. Because I have already pictures in my laptop of the select file, I will choose one of your best image for feature image. This one is my best. Okay. This is my feature image that someone will see first impression. Okay. Of technology. Now the title is, on the portion of title you have to write your focus keyword. Okay. All text. I have already asked ChatGPT to write all text. Now copy and paste. You can give ChatGPT your focus keyword and write alt text caption or image description caption again. And description. Copy and paste. Now set as feature image. Your image has set as feature. Now you have to add article images on articles. So scroll down. Here is our heading. First heading, I will put images after written. Not before the article, after paragraph, not before the paragraph. Okay. Here I will drag my mouse and here it is showing ad block. Click on ad block, search image. Now click on upload. Now choose your image. I will choose this image. Now you can see my image is uploaded. I will align this image to center. Okay, now it's good. Okay. Same like this way, he will upload you different images. I will upload 5 to 6 images on this article. Click on image, upload, and select your image. And align. Click on align to center. It's your opinion that where you have to apply your image. I will put my image on the mid of article because it looks good. Okay. Now here I will put my third image. Click on image, upload. Now align to center. Okay. Now I will put my fourth image here. Click on image. If the option of image is not showing, you can click on search and search the image. Okay. Align center. If not aligned yet, click on align center. Now I will put my last image before conclusion. Paragraph. Image. Upload. And here we go. Our last image is been uploaded. It is not completed yet. Okay. Firstly, my focus keyword is AI technology carrier. I will select my focus keyword. Click on image. Right, paste on the option of alt text. Okay, this option will show you when you select your image. Look, scroll up, click on image, paste your focus keyword on replacement of alt text. Scroll up click on image, paste your focus keyword on alt text. Now again, scroll up, click on image, paste your focus keyword on alt text. Here we go. Last image. Click on alt text. Paste your focus keyword. Okay, if you want to change your image size, click on style, scroll down, original, and you can change your image. I have set my image size before. It's 550 multiplied by 320. Okay, you can select if you want this scale. If your I will select original because I have set my image on. You can see now images are uploaded to my article. Also feature image has that. Now click on feature image and here you will see all the images you have uploaded. Okay. Now you have to paste alt text, caption and description. Copy the alt text of feature image. Copy alt text and paste. Control V. You can click Control V from your keyboard. It will paste. Okay. Same like that. You will copy the captions and paste on other images. This is called SEO of image, which I am doing right now. It is called SEO of image. Okay. Now paste. One thing more, where last image left. You are seeing that in some images there is written 153. You have to remove from title. Okay. Where it is shown. Hive, technology, carrier tree, and in this image, after doing the SEO of all images, you have to select your featured image again and set as featured. So finally your article images has been uploaded. I hope you have liked this video. Make sure you will subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.